Hi parents, I'm creating this video tonight because I thought that it might be helpful to get a refresher on how to do rounding of big numbers, as we call them, so that you can help your own children with their homework tonight if they need it. So I wanted you to know, first of all, that what you see right here, is the homework that is being given tonight, September 11th, 2017, and the students are required to do numbers 1 through 10. I have already done number 1 with them, so that one should already be filled out in their homework. So essentially they only have 9 problems to do. And with you, I'd like to go over 11, 12, and 13 so that I can help you remember how to do this. Essentially, what the instructions require you to do is to consider the place value of the number that is underlined. Number 11, that would be the thousands place, because this is the ones place, this is the tens place, this is the hundreds place, and this is the thousands place. So they're asking you to round this number to the nearest thousand. What the method that we're teaching the students is to create a number line right underneath this problem, and the starting point will mark the starting point, the ending point, and the middle point. The starting point will always be the number that is underlined, followed by a series of zeros. However many digits that follow that underlined number is the number of zeros that you should have. So in this case, since the number is 3,655 and the number that is underlined is the 3, then the starting point of my number line is 3,000. Then the ending point would be the next 1,000. So it would be 4,000. Then I must consider what would be in the middle between 3,000 and 4,000, and that, of course, would be 3,500. Then I must consider whether 3,655 would be less than 3,500, which is what we call our middle benchmark. Would it be less than 3,500, or would it be more than 3,500? Of course it would be more, so I would mark it somewhere around here, 3,655. And as we've taught the students, if a number is exactly at the middle point or anywhere to the right of that middle benchmark, then the number must be rounded up to the ending point of the number line. So this number would round up to 4,000 if we are rounding to the nearest thousand. Let's consider number 12. Number 12, the number 97,722, actually has the 2 underlined that is in the tens place. So they are asking us to round it to the nearest 10. That means that if I create a number line with a beginning point, an ending point, and a middle benchmark, the beginning point would be the 97,720. And that is because every number that is to the left of the one that is underlined remains the same, 9, 7, 7, and also the 2 remains the same. Every number that is to the right turns into a 0. We only have one number that is to the right of the underlined one, so our beginning point would be 97,720. Our ending point would be 1 more than that 2. So it would be 97,730. Our middle point, therefore, would be the number that is between 97,720 and 97,730. So, of course, that would be 97,725. Now we consider where this number would land. And of course, it would land somewhere around here. That number there then is to the left of the middle benchmark. So this number here must round down to the beginning point of our number line. Therefore, the answer is 97,720 is this number rounded to the nearest 10. Now let's consider number 13. Number 13 is 59,899. Once again, we are asked to round to the nearest 10. So when we create our number line, the beginning point, the end point, the middle point, our beginning point would be 59,890. Once again, that is because every number to the left of the underlying digit, including the underlying digit, remains the same. Every number to the right of the underlying digit turns into a 0. So, 59,890 is our beginning point. Our ending point would be one more than that. So that would be 59,900. I hope that you can see that looks like an 8. Okay? It's hard to hold the camera and write at the same time. So, therefore, we have to consider what number would be between 59,890 and 59,900. And that would be 59,895. Okay? Now we consider where would this number land on this number line. And it would be somewhere here, of course. That means that this number would actually round up to 59,900. I hope that this can help you as you try to help your own children do their homework. Please let me know if you have any more questions, and I'm always available to the students, even during their recess time if they would like to come up. Thank you. Bye-bye.